This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: your DMAT account, KYC status, and an active bank mandate for a SPA or UPI. Once done, review the HDB Financial Services IPO dates, price band, and lot size so you know the minimum bid. Next, log into your broker or bank portal, choose the IPO section, and select HDB Financial Services. You're now ready to enter the bid quantity and bid price. Don't submit yet. Double-check the lot multiples and available funds first. You proceed to place the actual bid. Enter the quantity in lot multiples and choose a price within the published band. Make sure you select the correct application category, retail versus non-retail, because allocation rules differ. After entering details, confirm that a SPA or UPI will block the required amount. This prevents premature debits. Once you submit, note the confirmation or UPI mandate reference. If you use a broker app, watch for the on-screen success message and an email or SMS confirmation. You finalize the process by monitoring allotment announcements and checking your broker or the registrar site for status. If you're allotted shares, they'll be credited to your DMAT account before listing. If you weren't allotted, the blocked funds release automatically. Once credited, decide quickly whether to hold for long-term or place a sell order on listing day. Make sure your orders consider listing volatility. Troubleshooting tip: if confirmation or credits don't appear within published timelines, immediately contact your broker and the registrar with your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.